All right, we have a Moto Stars video. Let's go and take a look. I'm gonna see if I don't say much because I just want to see what these people do so we don't make the same mistakes ourselves. So the mistake I see right here, we're going 112 miles per hour. We're racing through traffic. So if somebody does something stupid like that, we have a very heavy and high mechanism of injury.
Oh my God.
So now we have to rescue our buddy because we decided to race from one bar to the next. I'm just assuming. And hopefully he's not going to be dead. Okay, we're going 110 plus miles per hour, high impact. So how do we rescue them? Remain calm ourselves, ensure our own safety, stop any major bleeds. Make sure somebody calls 911, which is what they're doing. Not much we can do. You notice how he's holding onto his groin. We talked about the open book fracture a little bit earlier in this live stream.
He went around that car, the car swerved into the middle of the lane, and he was going. He's on a brake, and he couldn't do anything. And he
could have swerved. 3 things we can do: emergency swerve, emergency brake, emergency acceleration. They're just straight accelerating, so we need to be good at our swerving because our total stopping distance for braking is absolutely going to suck. So how do we solve this problem for ourselves, everybody? If you're a brand new rider, please check your ego at the door when you get on your motorcycle so we're not doing stupid stuff. Or just decide not to ride fast. All right, let's move on to this next one. Oh, so we're all lane splitting. Our buddy behind us was not paying attention and ran into us because we had to stop or slow down because somebody was pulling off into our lane of travel. All right, here we go. We're gonna be passing intersection. Yep. Oh, nice little impact. Thankfully, he was slowing down, so kind of prepped. That's the best case scenario for that. If he was going fast, he would have been up and over the hood, heavier damage to his body. So good job, handled it. It is what it is, but it was a line of sight problem. We couldn't see that car coming. What patterns can we be looking for when it comes to possible intersections? Write in the comments what do you think the possible pattern could be. That was not good. All right, we're speeding. We've already seen this one. He's gonna avoid a speed bump.
And lost control of the bike.
And there's gonna be a roundabout up ahead, but we're going too fast, right? What do? We high side. We basically break our wrists. Once again, 3 things that we've seen. One of them, guys, slowed down before the intersection, but 3 things we've seen. Too fast. At least 3 things. Too fast for the area. Stop speeding. You'd be surprised how many close calls and crashes you're going to avoid if you're not speeding or getting your head hit in by an ATV in a group mod ride. Don't join mob rides. Those helmets don't do anything, by the way. Those helmets don't do anything. Get a full face helmet. That thing hit him right in the face. Yeah. The MLK ride is the biggest bike life ride of the year. 1,000 riders at every type of bike and quad route today, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. It is what it is. Understand the risks. All right, so we're cruising, chilling like a villain. Nice, having glasses, protecting his ears. Make sure you have hearing protection to protect your ears. Oh, somebody wants to come out. Nice collision. Hopefully they're at fault because that's a lot of damage. That's a deductible and a half. I'm concerned about his fingers because fingerless gloves, there's no armor or padding on those gloves. So make sure you get gloves that have full fingers. Control your emotions. That's something, I get it. Fight or flight, adrenaline's going. Try to be a little more stoic on that. It's fine. You do your thing. Squid biker, here we go. Oh! Ooh. We got it. I'm sorry, we got to go back a little bit here. Sees it. He aims for the taillight area as a swerve. Good job. But I really want you guys to swerve harder. I'm just going to go ahead and scoot. No, I want you to swerve. And that takes practice into swerving. Okay, so practice in a parking lot. Guys, practice your drills. 24 motorcycle drills, cone drills here, guys. Please. You get this if you're a smart rider. The digital version, join up. $5 a month. So swerve harder left. Hard. Go. Swerve. You have much more lane to use. Lucky. Very lucky. Look how much more lane he has. To use. I want it all. I'm taking it all. Gimme. Just cursing. about as you do. Okay.
This clip
All right, 80 miles per hour.
Unnecessary aggression on the road can be.
Just don't mess with your phone. Okay, brake lights means we need to slow down. Okay, not a big deal. Not a big deal. He's slowing down because of the road, the roundabout, not because he wants to brake check you. Probably didn't see it ahead of time. It's nighttime. Is the license plate flipped? No, what are we talking about? What's the fuss? Okay. So there was much more involved before this started up. Relax. All right, here we go. In and out of traffic. Motostars, are we reusing videos? Well, good thing we're just playing through. He's gonna go lock up his tires and dump the bike. We did a good review of that on a different video. Don't slam the front brake, don't slam the rear brake. How it started, here we go. Oh, coming up real close.
You talking to me? Let me get up there, let me get up there, let me get up there.
I mean, that's one way to practice your emergency braking. You guys notice that? We applied emergency braking to stop.
Yeah, I'm yelling at you. You almost hit the back of my car.
It's true. So,
Control.
to practice your emergency braking when you're out riding all the time, because you don't want to always go to a parking lot to practice your stuff, right? So what I do when I ride, I don't want to stop to a parking lot all the time. I'm just riding to get myself a breakfast burrito, right? Well, I want to practice while I'm on my way to get that sweet breakfast burrito, bacon, potato, egg, and cheese, right? From Nico's Burritos. I want to do that. I want to practice. So I'm going to come up to a stoplight and I'm going to do what he did. I'm not going to try to skid the tires, but I'm going to come up to do what he did. But I'm not going to do it when there's a car in front of me. I'm going to do it when there's that line, right? For the crosswalk. My goal of practice is, okay, I'm coming up. It's a red light. Coming up. Getting ready, getting prepped. Progressive, and then try to stop before that white line. I'm not going to stop before I hit a Prius because you're going to piss people off. You're going to piss people off.
I see you, kid.
And she's probably going to get a breakfast burrito and you ruin her day.
That's why I parked you the
Now I want to, can one of you guys,
Yeah.
can one of you guys get me a breakfast burrito? I know we have a bunch of pizzas here. Colin, can you go get me a breakfast burrito from Nico's up the road? Number 1, bacon, egg, potato, and cheese. I don't need any salsa. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, here we go. New York Bike Meets.
Clearly didn't actively split and tried everything
Okay.
to block the road.
So line of sight, very good lane positioning, but our space cushion's too close. Roll off the throttle to allow traffic to kind of move ahead. Oh, we're getting too close. We're getting boxed in at this point. Let the idiots be in front. Okay, new position. Good job switching over. Open lane pattern, they switched over. Try to stay away from cars. Just stay away from cars as best you can. Alright. Oh, not much we could have done in that situation. The guy went from the left lane to make a right-handed turn. That sucks. We're full gear, guys. Making sure my camera mount is tight. All of a sudden, driver right behind me comes up and smashes right. What do we
to the guy in front of me.
have? Alzheimer's?
Thumbs up.
Just kidding. Oh, that's a good lesson right there. Can I pause it? Can I pause it? Yes, I'm pausing it. I don't care. This right here is why I park off to the sides. When I say sides, I mean the sides of my lane. I'm on the line. I don't care. These people can get away from me. I'm on the line. If a car behind me at an intersection comes up and does this, fast or slow, I'm getting smashed into the car in front of me. I'm getting sandwiched. This happens to firefighters. This happens to police officers all the time. There's specific training for scene management for these public safety individuals that you don't get in between a vehicle and another vehicle. You're always off to the sides, always, because of this. So many people get their legs cut off. So many people just get killed.
I smashed
So
the
much.
guy in front of me.
Be off to the side. So right here, off to the side. Off to the side. Like a lane split, a lane filtering position. You're not going anywhere if you can't lane filter in your state. In Arizona, I can. But even if you get stopped because you can't make it any further because they're too close, okay, you had to stop, right? Still, be off to in the lane filtering lane position. Because if they hit you, you go forward. You don't get sandwiched. You might still get hit, but there's nothing in front of you to stop you to get sandwiched. Oh, not good, not good.
smashes right in. I smash into the guy in front of me.
Yeah.
It's okay.
And that happens in car accidents. Usually at intersections, 3 vehicles are in an accident. There's the vehicle in the very back that hits the middle car. That middle car has rear end damage now, and they get pushed into the car in front of them. They have front end and rear end damage now, so the front car gets rear end damage, the back car gets front end damage, the middle car gets both. But with a car, you have crumple zones on both sides, you have seat belts and airbags. Oh, jeez, I'm talking about airbags here. Oh, come on, keep playing the music. What happened? Snapped his leg, probably. Oh, is he doing traction on him? No, what do you do? Look up manual traction of a broken femur on Google. I think that's what he might be doing. Either that femur's broken or the hip is broken. Don't do that. What the heck? All right, moving on. Let's go.
Here is another clip proving
Here's
that
another
public
clip.
roads are not a racetrack. The Audi driver wanted to show off, run a red light, and ended his ride in a spectacular way.
Open lane pattern, switch to the open lane, right? Oh! Lost it. Probably slammed the brakes after almost getting clipped because he panicked. It's not gonna work. Rescue the idiot. It's a good opportunity for practice. Good opportunity for practice. And he hit somebody else that's in. Oh, rescue. Okay, we turned back so we can look. So he came back at least 5 to 8 minutes later because now EMS is on scene. Could have helped out before they showed up. One sec. What is he looking at? What song is that, everybody? Write in the comments. There you go. It's a nice little left-handed turn. They're gonna go into our lane. They always do that crap. Always good job moving over. Handled it. Don't do anything. Good. You see how the swerve to the new lane? We can do that easily with lane changes. Why can't we do that in emergencies? Think about it. Because we don't practice. The emergency creates a panic. All right, open lane pattern. They switch in the open lane. We're lane splitting. Happens. It is what it is. Kind of stuck. Kind of crappy. There you go. Nice little slow speed maneuvers. That's why we practice the drills to do the maneuvers. Hi, everybody. Non-issue. Here we go. Oh, good job with the progressive braking. Handled it. Let him in. Honked the horn when he was safe to do so. Got himself a Cardo Pack Talk Edge. Link in description for that if you really want one. Nice little discount. Probably talking to his girlfriend on the phone like, hey, look at this. There's an idiot. Just an idiot cut me off. I'm safe, babe. I'm coming home. Just kidding. I'm going to race and crash into a pole. All right, here we go.
This is exactly the kind of danger.
Nice little corner, blind areas. Don't know what's around the corner. We have a truck that can't drive. We're going to go ahead and maneuver around it. Nice Cardo Pack Talk.
Shouldn't do it.
All right. Oh, lane filtering. Watch for any open spots.
Good.
Any gaps like that one. Okay, nothing there. Cool. That one, nothing there. Cool. Why do you have your door open, buddy? Dumb. Is that a police scanner? Or like a radar scanner?
My bike.
No, just go. Okay. Get yourself a rock form. Don't be doing that. I get it. It's cheaper. But get yourself a rock form mount. It'll lock right in. That looks kind of sketchy. It looks a little sketchy. We're not going to get off the bike and talk. What's up, bro? We're not going to do this. Okay, thank you, MotoStars, for having a great video, guys. With that said, check out the links in the description if you want to have any discounts for anything. Join the Smart Rider Crew, $5 a month. That's the best thing you could do. And I will review your crashes and close calls, and you get to hang out with a bunch of smart riders, and we have a weekly meetup. I'll see you guys later.